Hi everyone, this is Bhagireka Pidamati. I am from the stream of Python full stack development. Now I am going to discuss about functions in Python. Hi everyone. Functions in Python. Functions are block of codes which are used in a program. If block of code want to write multiple times, you use functions. Syntax for functions: def function name and parameter. This is the syntax for functions. I can clearly explain it. First we use def. Def is a keyword which defines. It means define. Usually in Python, functions are declared by using def keyword. By using def, it is used for user defined functions. By declaring defined word, def keyword, we can user defined functions can be created. Function name, the function it can be of our choice which function we uses to write. It's of our choice. Parameters are variables which are wrote inside the function parameters. The values are assigned to the functions when the functions are called. When the functions are called, the values are assigned to the functions. Docstring it nothing but it's our comments. If we want any group of words, or if we want to tell anything when it is in the output, we use docstring. It nothing but comments. Function body, all the code that comes under the function body and return expressions and calling the function. While we are calling the functions, the values will be the variables in the parameters. There will be variables. The values are assigned when we call the functions. There are two types of functions. First, built-in function. And predefined user-defined function. Built-in function is also known as predefined function, which are already defined, before. They are called as built-in functions. They are, for instance, length, sum, maximum, minimum. These are all called as built-in functions. If we want in the code, if we want for example, if we have a list of 2, 6, 8, so on, etc. If we want to find the length or sum of this list, if we don't want to write all the code, all the stuff code, instead of that we can use the predefined keywords here. If we use the length of the string list, it itself gives the length of the string instead of writing the codes, so that built-in functions are used. If a code is written by the user, if a user want to write a code by himself, if he want in the code any block of code multiple times, he want to repeat it, then he uses the function. Then by using def keyword, he defines the function. User defined functions are defined by using def keyword. For example, if you write a code, def even odd, if a number modulus 2 double equals to 0, this is the example code for user-defined functions. By using def keyword, we defined the user-defined function. This is the function name, and the parameter we passed in this function is numbers. For the code is even or odd code. So if number modulus 2 double equals to 0, print even, else print odd. This is function calling. Number into input, this is for the user giving the numbers as their wishes. For that input, for taking the input, we wrote this statement. For the result will be stored here and then printed here. So we use this print statement here. That's it. Thank you.